इथे तुला चान्सेस आहेत हरणं दिसायची. इथे हरणं असतात. इथे लाईट पण आहे. आवाज करू नको. इथे काहीतरी आहे लेफ्टला. हरणं आहेत ना. रस्ता क्रॉस केला त्यांनी. मी तेच सांगतोय काहीतरी आहे. त्या साईडला आहेत. आपल्याचकडे बघतायत ते. किती अलर्ट आहेत. कान बघ त्याने टवके केले. सगळे इकडे बघतायत. ते पळून जातील. तसं नाही, हळूहळू जायला लागेल. ते फार अलर्ट आहेत तेवढे. तिथून कोणतरी आलं ते बघ. गेले ते. बरोबर इकडेच बघतायत ते. नाही ग, ते बघ ना तिकडून ते कोणतरी आलं. ते बघ. तिकडून आलं म्हणून ते हे झाले, फिरले. व्हिडिओ फार ग्रेनी आहे. कारण की चल, हे आहे ना, हे लपले बघ कसे झाडामध्ये आतमध्ये. इथे लांबून हा लायनचा आवाज आहे. लायनचा आवाज आहे एवढा. सो इट्स अ ब्युटिफुल डे. दे आर लुकिंग ॲट अस ओनली. ॲक्च्युली दे आर अफ्रेड ऑफ बिकॉज वी आर गोईंग नियर बाय देम. इट्स अ गुड एन्काउंटर इन द मॉर्निंग. They are looking at us and even afraid of. Almost 20-30 deers. गेली, लपले आतमध्ये. बघितलं कसे लपतात ते. दे हॅव हिडन इनसाइड. दे आर कमिंग आउट नाउ. They are afraid of us. Yes, he came out. One by one. ही सुंदर दिसतात ना. आणि मेन म्हणजे छोटी छोटी आहेत ती सगळी पिल्लं. तुला बोललो ना, ह्या ट्रेलवरती इथे असतात ते मेजरली. आय हॅव सीन बिफोर ऑल्सो. मगाशी तर किती 20-30 होती टोटल. येणार हळूहळू सगळे बाहेर. ते आपण आहेत म्हणून. इकडचे 2 कुठे गेले. So they are afraid of us. They are looking at us, and then because they are very very alert, they don't want to take any risk. See, there are many. I hope there are 20-30 total. Actually, there are many deers in this area, but we are unable to capture them because don't make noise. ठीक है ना, फोटो काढना.
तुझा सूर आता बंद करते.
ठीक, फोटोग्राफ. हळूहळू चल, जोराजोरात नको चल, मग ते घाबरतात. ते बघ घुसले आतमध्ये, घाबरले ते. कुठे गेले? झाडामध्ये गडद झाले सगळे घाबरून. Actually, there are many more deers, but when we come here, the visibility is really low, so we are unable to shoot. In the early morning, we have seen 50 to 60 deers, but we are unable to shoot. That's the problem. So now they are afraid of me. That's why they have gone into the shelter. Let us try to go towards them. See, they have gone outside, that side. They are very very clever. Oh, gone. They have gone deep inside. There are 2-3 more here. They are afraid of. They will run now. visibility clear. Oh, it gone very fast and very quick. Now they will also go. Very quick, very quick, very quick, very quick. They are looking at me only. Oh, again they came out. Wow. You really need a zoom lens to catch them. There are many. That too in a clear visibility. They are far away but clearly visible. They are afraid of me. They are looking at me only. So it's time to say bye bye to them. They are running one by one. They all will go now. They all are going. Let them enjoy their life. Actually, there is a river behind, so they have green grass, they have water, perfect condition for them. They are afraid of us. Okay, let us pack up. Let us not disturb them. Come on. So it's a beautiful day. In the morning, we can see deers behind. We have encountered almost. They have run. They are here. That point. They are deep inside. They have gone inside. We will catch them from that side. You go from that side and try to take a selfie. Video. Just they have gone from this side. Where they have gone? Yes, they have gone again inside only. Oh, they are running. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. So at last we encounter many deers. These all are here deers only. And it was my wish also to show you all the deers, but that was not possible. So now today I have seen them. They are afraid of me. It's better I should leave this area now. Okay, so tata bye bye to all these deers. We will continue our today. As such, we unable to make a vlog because there was low light. We started very early in the morning and there was no light, but now we can see, we have seen this all deers. They are just walking now and they are really afraid of us because we are behind them. So it's time to say tata bye bye to them. Many times we have said that we have seen deers, but we are unable to show you. And this is the day I got the very clear picture of the deers. So here is the proof. Otherwise, few people may feel like that we are just bluffing, but we are not bluffing. There are deers in this jungle because they made an ecosystem. Okay, fine. Over and out. Have a good day. Bye bye. Okay, birds are singing and we are walking along the railway track here. Our childhood was very beautiful because this was the way to go to school. Every day we used to walk down and we used to enjoy this. There were many animals that time and flora and fauna was very huge. Right now there is nothing. It's not nothing, but it's very limited one. I have never seen something like this. This is some type of mushroom.
Can I touch?
No, don't touch. I don't know, but it is growing on this wood. But it is very, very colorful. I have never seen this earlier. I've seen only white, black, that kind of things. See, here it has grown. Grayish color. A bit more there. There is a diversity here. There are many types of mushrooms. इथे पूर्वी ना झाडांना शेंगा यायच्या, आता पण येत असतील. आणि मग त्या शेंगा आम्ही ट्राय करायचो, उचलायचो.
मग घेऊन जायची की नाही घरी?
हां, ते वाजवायच्या, खिची 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 वाजवायचो ना, पडायच्या अशा त्या भरपूर. त्याच्यानंतर इथे अजून आम्हाला तो म्हणतो ना आपण सुगरणीचा खोपा, तो पण इथे असा विजिबल होतो ॲक्च्युली. जर तुम्ही शोधलं तर तुम्हाला मिळेल, असे पडलेले असतात. आता लोक एवढी येत आहेत इथे, हे एंडेंजर्ड झालं आहे हे सगळं.
इथे मिळालं तर राहणार पण नाही.
हां
लोक इथे येतात की आता काही मिळणारच नाही आपल्याला. किती बघ.
हां, ते झालं, ते सेम आहे, ऑरेंज कलरचं. सॉरी. हां, समथिंग डिफरंट टाईप ऑफ अ मशरूम आय हॅव सीन. मला या ट्रेकचं बघून मला ते माथेरानच्या ट्रेकची आठवण झाली. पेप फोर्टचा ट्रेक आपण जो केला होता ते, त्याच्यापेक्षाही मला जास्त आवडलं ते लोक टेंट लावून राहिले होते. असं काहीतरी केलं पाहिजे, थ्रिलिंग. त्यासाठी ग्रुप पाहिजे. सी हाऊ पीपल आर स्प्रेडिंग न्यूसेन्स. बिअरचे टिन इथे पडलेले आहेत, कोण उचलणार? आणि इज दिस अ प्लेस टू ड्रिंक बिअर? इट्स व्हेरी बॅड. वाव, हे ब्युटिफुल आहे. दोन्ही बाजूला मस्तपैकी वेगळ्या टाईपची गवत आणि मध्ये. So this is very, very scenic and beautiful. If you wish to have photography, you can come and take some photographs here. The wall is really like that some architect have. It's a nature's architect who has crafted this. So we have seen at many premises, like architects are coming and they are taking huge fees and they are making wall like this. Oh, this is a beautiful and a scenic one. And this is natural, full of oxygen. I am feeling very, very happy while walking from here. There is a mini train here, but at this moment that train is not working because of the COVID rules regulations. We really enjoyed free tips also in our school days. Whenever we used to see the train, we used to jump into the train, and the local guards, they never used to say anything because it was a school race, so they never took any objection, and we used to travel. Wow, it's very, very beautiful. So today I thought I unable to create a vlog, but I got deers and I got this beautiful track of railway. So I thought, okay, let us shoot for you people, because there are many people who do not stay in Mumbai, but they wish to look at the jungle. That's what a Mumbaikar is looking actually, because in Mumbai there is no jungle. This jungle is like a lungs for Mumbai, because there are many vehicles, there are many people. Wow. And we really miss to take proper breath in this jungle. See, I was talking about this thing. Now there is nothing inside. Okay. त्याच्या आतमध्ये बिया असतात आणि ती शेंगी अशी वाजते बघा, इथे पडलेले आहेत भरपूर. ती अशी शेंगी जर उचलली अशी किची 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 वाजते. ती मे महिन्यामध्ये मिळतात ॲक्च्युली. आता उचलून काय फायदा नाही, आता ते खराब झालेले आहेत. त्या मे महिन्यामध्ये परिपक्व होतात, एकदम कडक होतात आणि आतमध्ये त्यांच्या शेंगा असतात, आपल्या बिया असतात शेंगाच्या, आणि त्या अशा वाजवल्या की किची 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 अशा वाजतात. म्हणजे तो नॅचरल एक साऊंड तयार होतो त्याच्यातून. मोस्ट ऑफ द जुन्या मला वाटतं मूवीजमध्ये त्याचा साऊंड यूज केलेला आहे. असं सगळं आहे. सो बॅक टू अवर थिंग. आजचा ब्लॉग बनवणार नव्हतो कारण की टू शो यू द रिपीट थिंग्स इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल, अँड टू मूव आउटसाइड ऑफ मुंबई every week it is not possible, because we need to adjust our daily work, weekly work. So then we thought, okay, let us try nearby jungle. At least the people who do not stay nearby, they can view this and they can enjoy the beauty, and if they wish to come here, then they can come and visit in this COVID time, because the park is open, this jungle is open. There are certain rules and regulations to move in the jungle, so please follow before coming to this particular place. My video is too much shaky because I am walking on this track, so please bear me. So I am ending my vlog here. Okay guys, so we are ending our vlog here today. It was a small trail or track trick which we did on the track, so railway track. So I really enjoyed this, and after many years, I hope more than 5 to 10 years has passed, and then I came on this particular track. So I feel now nostalgic about it, because in my childhood, as I said, that I used to walk around on this particular trails and all treks. So hope you like this particular video and you will enjoy it.
And if you like it, just subscribe, like and comment.
Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a good day.